Let's suppose we want to set up a two-dimensional array with the months of the year. We're going to set up where there are 3 columns. So the first row would read January, February, March. Then the next row would read April, May, and June. So forth. This is how we'd set it up. We'd start by saying, hey, we're going to be a 2D array because we have a comma inside here. And although we know the size, we also know the data we're going to use to pre-populate this array. So after we do dim array with the comma, string equals, then we do one set of braces, I should say, to encompass the entire array. But then we do a second set of braces for each of the sets of data. So for here, it's going to be January, which would be at 0, 0, because it's going to be at the 0 position of the row and column. Feb will be at 0, 1, and March will be at 0, 2. This end brace has to come with us down to the next line, and I almost recommend just leaving it out here by itself if the program will allow it. We'll see if it will or not. I also recommend using the tab key to bring it all the way over. The cursor all the way over, I should say. Also notice how it's airing out here. We need a comma between each of the rows. And then we can continue. April, comma, May, comma, June. Come outside, have a comma here. And now you see our cursor knew to jump to that next level. So we'll go July, August, comma, September, Sepi, comma, and then we have one more set to get through. Another set of braces, October, November, and December. Once we hit that final spot, it does appear we do need to bring this final brace. Oh, it can stay one line below here. So, I don't know why integer popped up, but it did. But as long as this is one row below, it might just be easier to set up like this so you can see these 2 braces on the outside and then each row as its own brace. The next part, we will call to the specific positions to pull out the correct data.